Hype for GM. Let's go. Let's get some bullet in. The grob for you. Decline against the GM. That's for you, buddy boy. Oh, that's not what I intended, but that's okay. Let's get the king out and about. What is going on in this game? I hate the grob. Look what's going on here. What the heck? Is that a pawn ski? It is. That's a pawn. Let's get a win with the grob, boys. I want a grob win for the boys. For the boys. Let's trap his rook for the boys. For the boys! Grob for the boys. Here we go. Get some more games. For the boys. Let's open her up. Use that A file. Yeah. Attack that queen. Penetrates. 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do you want to penetrate? Yesterday it was Naka. What about today? Today I want this. And I want that. And I want this. And I want that. And I want this. 2.
Finally picking on someone your own size.
Trade it off. Take them off. Take those clothes off. Queenside Castle. Let's go! No trades. Push. 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 Pawn and G5. Pawn and G5. Fix those pawns. Squeeze. Oh, I like this. My pawns are in the right color. You want to trade? No. Okay, that's bad. I can tell you that if I don't win this game, I will actually be disgusted. Is your knight trapped? I think it is, buddy. Let's go. Let's go. Vamos. 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 Run away. Ooh, I like this. You want to go for the pawn? I'm not sure that's what the doctor ordered. Okay. Push. Passed pawns must be pushed. Everyone knows that. Everyone knows. Passed pawns must be pushed. That's annoying. I messed that up. I was winning, but I did something wrong there. That's disturbing. I was up a full rook here, but I had no time. Let's do a rematch. Vamos! Faster, faster. We need some speed. I need some energy from the crowd. This is not good so far. No bueno. Start trying to wiggle in his ass around here. Yes. Trade. Queen f5 looks effective. I think I can get away with that. I think I can sneak in here. I think I can sneak in here and put my queen on e6. Park my queen there. I like the time edge. Like the time edge. Let's continue. Solidify. Convert. Oh, g4 is falling. Unfortunately. I'm going to have to ignore that. And take here. And go there. And Winsky! Berenzen! No, what I'm doing is I'm in Canada and I'm trying to go on some dates. Not interested. I need to find girls. Like, I already play enough Blitz. If I watch Blitz, play Blitz, do all of the above, well, I'll be single forever. Feels bad, man. Feels bad. Feels bad. I'm just trying to find a suitable mate. Oh, I just hung a pawn. Nice. Nice. Keep hanging pawns, Hansen. Hanging Pawn Hansen is going to be my nickname pretty soon. Hanging Pawn Hansen. Let's play Queen B4. What are you going to do? Oh. Whoa. I don't like that move. Hanging pawn Hansen. Let's go, boys. Hot for Doma. Yep. That was an awful blunder. I'll fix that. Hang. I gotta go back to the grob. I'm going back to the grob. I'm pissed off. Pissed off. The heck is that? That's a peculiar looking move, and I'm gonna be a greedy Guillermo. I didn't put my rook there for nothing, buddy. I'm materialistic. Ooh, that's annoying. Okay, let's get some trades going on. Got knight d3. Consolidate. Oh, I blundered. Bishop here. Hold for Doma. Oh, I blundered. Oh. That's not what I was worried about. That is not what I was worried about. Check. Check. Okay. We can handle this. I'm up on time. I'm feeling good. No more checks. Let's take it. Knight here. Knight g5. Ooh. Alright, I need to start playing faster here. I need to start really cranking up the speed. Anybody got some speed? Oh. It's a strange move. Let's poke him on the queen side. I don't like these double pawns. That looks painful, eh? Voluntarily looking for some double pawns. Alright, let's try to insert into his anus with queen f3. Alright, let's push. Let's push. Where's the win? Where's the win? Shit. I could have had a draw there, but we're not streaming to make draws. It's very disturbing. takes here. Okay, that's it. That's it. I thought I was up 10 seconds there. I didn't realize that was such a choke. I'm doing well with the grob. If Decline is still here, he can't be complaining. I've done the grob and I've done it like almost every game that I've had the opportunity. That's not easy. It's not easy at this level to utilize the grob. Nope. I was just checking. Just checking. Just checking. Just checking. Just checking. Just checking. And he fell for it. Yeah, there we go. The two-pronged cock attack, d4, g4. Yeah. This is tough. This is tough. I have a loose pawn on g4 every damn game. Every game. All day, every day. All day, every day. Yeah. You crippled my pawn structure. How do you feel now? Push! Push! Defend! Attack! F5. Want to thrust? Thrusky. I'll trade. You got me. But the attack continues. G6. Penetration. Chessbrah style. Yeah. I like what I see. Let's push here. Let's open up the heavens. Let's centralize that knight. Take. 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 Trade ski. All right. Gotta try to consolidate this position. It's not easy, is it? I'm not surprised he's going for those moves. Let's bring my rook in the game. Check. And a mate skis for the boys. For the boys. Let's go. Why? I'm not getting any rating here, eh? Okay, b5. Thrust. Space. Jose LL23 is back in the stream after more than a year away. That's what makes me happy at night. Happy is a synonym for hard in the chessbrah channel. If you don't know. For the boys. For the boys. Okay, how do we attack? Bishop a6 maybe? I'm gonna have to make that work. He can take. Oh no, I got some tricks. I have some tricks here. This is actually a very annoying pin, isn't it? Let's solidify with c6. Get my king on a dark square. The knight is dark and full of terror. And I want to terrorize k-outis. That's a cool name, by the way, k-outis. I like it. I want to play for f4, boys. For the boys. He's got e. I'm so stupid sometimes. Fucking ridiculous. Swing over. Let's reroute my knight. Ah, take all my pawns. All the peshkis. All the pawns. This was a terrible game. Didn't need to sacrifice my pawns. Okay, I need to put together 5 wins in a row. Can we do that with a Grob? 5 wins in a row is my goal. Oh my. It's fucking opening. What's my rook doing? What's this bi-curious piece doing? What's a rook doing on h2? A guy with a rook on h2 is really fucked in the head, probably. Why do I have a rook on h2? You know the opening is bad if there's a rook on h2. Quite frankly. And I just hung a piece like a fucking nimwit. Nice job, Eric. This is this. I'm starting to throw games. I'm not sure I can handle a Grob. I'm playing like a buffoon. A real wild buffoon. A jungle troll. I'll take that. Just trying to play some chess here, boys. I'm just trying to play some chess. It's tough. Can't believe I won that game. You don't know what a buffoon is? Look at me. How did I win that game? Jeez. The luck. You guys left the arena and I was still fighting. Fair weather fans in the chessbrah channel. You guys are all fair weather fans. Play the Budapest. That's a interesting suggestion. What I'm gonna do though is I'm gonna develop my bishop. And that's gonna hurt. Can I, yeah, I want this. I want this. I want it. I want it. Yeah, buddy. Trade the queens off. Trade the queens. Trade the bishops off. Get some more pawns for the boys. For the boys. For the boys. For the boys. I'll keep playing the Grob. I'll keep getting lost positions. I'll take. I'll take! Let's try to harass him. Yep. For the boys. Okay. I'll take it. I'm a greedy guy. Going for mate. Oh, I can't castle because of that stupid rook. Bishop. What's it called? Those are called bishops. Hella annoying. Boys, we need some energy this game. Because he's coming up with some resistance. La resistance. How do I do it in French? That was bad. Always sounds good in French, how they say it in the movies. I don't know how to do it though. I'm threatening rook takes g6. Let's continue. How many more do I need? I wanted 5 in a row. Am I getting close to 5 in a row? The Youster. The Youster says I'm playing well, but he's been watching for 26 months, and he's our longest surviving plebeian. So I'm not sure if it's a good thing he's enjoying the show. If he's enjoying the show as a pleb, what incentive is there for him to sub? I'm just tickling you, dude. It's just a friendly tickle. Canadian tickle. Oh, and now I'm gonna... There must be something here. Let's go there. And back. I like the pressure I'm putting on this guy. This is a masterclass in space. Utilizing space. Nobody cares, Eric. I care. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Magnifique. Okay, this... If I don't win this game, you know, something is wrong with me. Oops. All right. One more win for the boys. Oh, that was a mouse slip. I meant G4. All right. He's allowing me to enter into his position. Again, if only life... Kasparov wrote a book, How Life Imitates Chess. If that was the case, I wouldn't be a single male grandmaster streaming in my bedroom. Feels bad. If that was the case, Mr. Kasparov, then what am I doing here? Oof. Let's king walk. Can't believe I choked that. Can't believe I choked that. Let's do a rematch. I need to redeem myself. Am I up a pawn? I am up a peshki. I'm a pawn to the good. Feels bad. He has this move. He could have played it. Oh, that's gonna hurt. That's gonna hurt, buddy. That's gonna hurt. All right. I got my +5. Okay, there was a draw in there, but I got my 5 wins in a row. It's just hard to... This person's not very arable. They're a pretty decent bolt player, but our rating differential means I have to, like, win more. Oof. It's tough.